Look at this hail. This chase started off seemingly like every other chase in Oklahoma. Beautiful blue skies with the CU field forming in the distance. I've been chasing everywhere except Oklahoma lately, and I've been chasing storms that have been moving at 60 and 70 knots. This was quite a refreshing thing to do. Chase storms that are moving close to around 25 or 30 knots. I know this seems weird, but it was going to be a relaxing chase day. But it seems that Mother Nature had something else in mind. I was getting ready to drive behind one of the most dense hail cores I have ever chased. So now I'm gonna shut up and show you the highlights. Look at that coming down right there. How cool is that? Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at this hail. It's gonna look like it snowed here, everyone. Remember, this is the middle of the spring. And this is what a hail core, this is what a storm like this can just dump massive amounts of hail on the road. And yes, you have to be careful. This hail is slippery. As you can see, that car in front of me is sliding all over the place. I mean, it is, I'm not lying, guys. It's about 6 inches deep right now on the road. 6 inches deep of hail right now on the road. Massive hail. I mean, this thing is just dumping hail. It's been a while since I've seen a hail core this deep. I'm gonna pull off right over here though, so we can get out and I can show you guys a little bit of this hail. Wow, look at this hail. This is out of control, look. Massive hail. Finally getting out of that hail dump. That was one of the deepest hail dumps I've seen in a long time. Ooh, I can see the precipitation line now. Gotta be careful because this hail, you see that rainbow over in the distance, but that's right on the edge of the precipitation line. All right, getting on the edge of precipitation. Won't be long before we're in the hail. Oh, you know what? This seems like a good time to actually put on my hail helmet and go out and get some. Yep, that's a river of hail. Oh man. Got a beautiful rainbow out right now though. Oklahoma, super famous chicken spot. This thing dumped some rain, didn't it? And all the hail's melting and adding to it, but definitely got them a little bit of a flooding issue going on in Okarche right now. This thing's just a big old circle of hail now. Still got lots of hail everywhere, as you can see. I might break off and cover it if it looks like it's going to get a little bigger, but for now I think I'm just going to follow this one a little bit longer. Kind of see what we have here. Like white out. A lot of hail. Chasers here. Let's go see some more hail, everybody. No, this is not snow. This is hail falling right behind a hail core. There's the storm right there in that direction. Look at that. Beautiful storm. Look at this hail. I mean, that's a lot of hail, everybody. Beautiful scene, though.